darling. Heat me up. Only you alone can put fire back in the soul. Heat me up. And they telling me I should leave that fire alone. Well, the more they tell me, the more I'm holding you close. I could never let you go. Miss how she lay. Girl, I'm coming home, I will see you again. All day through the night, I'm dreaming. Yeah. Miss how she lay. When you turn it up, make it smooth, my darling. When outside.
Hi guys, this is Cheryl and Chow in the kitchen. Man behind the camera is Chow, and this is my mother here who seasons the chicken.
My name is Cheryl. I will be doing the seasoning and marinating the chicken to do a sweet and sour chicken with pineapple.
Alright, what are we going to add first?
I'm adding the salt.
Salt, right. What next?
Oysters or some oyster sauce to your average.
And what chicken we seasoning for cooking for tomorrow?
What are the chicken we're preparing for tomorrow?
Yes.
A sweet and savory chicken with pineapple sauce. I will be adding some Worcestershire sauce.
Yeah. Alright.
I'll be adding some light soy sauce.
Alright.
Some chicken, Maggi chicken seasoning. Guys, I don't have a measurement as yet, but I will get there.
Soon we will work out the measurements for you guys and put it in the description. This is our first video as of the YouTube channel, so we'll be able, like later videos, we'll be able to put like measurements in the seasonings. Right. Go ahead.
I went in with some cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
I am going in with some paprika. A little goes a long way.
That's true.
I'm going in with some black pepper.
Well,
as I said, a little goes a long way.
Correct.
I'm going in with some garlic.
Garlic, right, from rice, man. Bad here. Yeah, go ahead.
This is flavor, guys.
If you season your chicken, you'll have a good taste when you're cooking it.
Put to perfection.
Yes, correct.
Adobo.
Adobo. That's a new thing we're using, trying it out.
And it works very well with your meat, your chicken, your fish. Here I am with the
onion.
The onion as well. Works wonderful. Make mysteries.
What else?
No, I'm getting in with the green seasoning. This have bandania. Bandania is shadow benny or cilantro. It has some thyme. It has some celery, some parsley. We have some thyme, big thyme, small thyme. We have garlic, and we also have pimento peppers in here.
And if you want some green seasoning, we have business catering. You can contact 751. That's my mother number, Cheryl. You can call and ask if you want like catering stuff, business. We do like events, everything. I just put the number below on the screen for you to contact.
I am also going in with some shadow benny and garlic. And my green seasoning. You can also place order for your green seasoning as well. I also does that.
That's already, yeah, that's what I say. I'll tell them that.
Right, okay, so that's it for this. And that's it. Now I'm going in, guys, my hands are clean.
Clean, yeah.
I am going in with my both hands to mix properly.
Yeah, to marinate it.
To get the chicken, to get the seasoning all over the cavities. The crevice.
To mix it in, marinate it, and get the chicken its flavor from the green seasoning, all the seasoning that you see and put inside the chicken inside here. I'd like to say a shout out to all YouTubers, Yorker, Trini Yorker, Danish, Trini Life with Danish, Trini How To, Trini Vets, and all the Trinidad YouTubers.
Also Trini Knockabout.
Yeah, about here.
Guys, we are not perfect. We're now starting.
Now starting, yeah, correct.
So we will get there as everybody else does. Get all the seasoning in there. And thanks to everyone who supports me on with my catering business. Appreciate it very much.
And also don't forget to like, subscribe, share with family and friends so you know how to cook some stuff. We'll post some stuff how to cook this, like certain types of food, Indian, Creole, Chinese, all kind of food. Soups,
fish
yes.
broth.
Yes.
You just name it, guys.
Everything. Cook it the proper way.
Cooking with love.
Yes, correct. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. And this is the next day. The preparation, the food. Yesterday we seasoned the chicken, potatoes. Now going in the pot.
And it's red potatoes.
Yes.
We are doing stuffed potatoes in the jacket.
Right. Nice. This is lovely sweet potato and beetroot is boiling in the pot. Alright, we're going to lay out the chicken. And we also put in the barbecue sauce, or we just put it in the oven, that's so.
No, it's going in like this first.
Okay.
No sauce at the moment.
Okay. So it go in the oven just so. And then after when cooked, halfway put out a little barbecue sauce and put it back in the oven to cook even more.
Then we put the pineapple
Then you put the pineapple
slices on the
slices, yeah.
This tray. One tray going in at the moment. Or once I get this after that.
Right, now the chicken is going in the oven. We're going to put in the chicken in the oven. Before you put the chicken on your pan, foil up the pan. So when you're done make the chicken and you're done take out the chicken from the pan, you have less work like cleaning the pan. Right. Chicken in the oven. Come back and check the chicken. The potatoes now finished boiling. Now it's going to cool down, as you can see. Just before you test the potatoes, to check and see if the potatoes is cooked.
The smaller ones, the smaller potatoes cook faster than the large ones.
The other ones take
A little
more,
while.
yeah.
And sometimes say it cook, but when it cool, it's hard. So guys, just be patient with this. Should be good now. That should be good.
Alright, I'll check your back on the barbecue chicken. Alright, the peas is going in. Make sure you wash your peas before you put your peas to boil.
Lentil peas, better known as lentils.
Lentil peas.
Some salt. Let's add some salt for the meanwhile.
So we'll add salt when you're boiling lentil peas. You have to add salt into the pot. not salted in the noodles?
No.
No?
No. No salt. Just let it boil and put a little vegetable oil. So I have to go get the oil.
Oil.
That's evil.
And the oil, the brand name of the oil is Eve oil.
This don't take long to boil, like 5 minutes or so. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Grinding the aromatic peas.
You can finely chop it,
Finely chop it too.
but this is an easier way. We have some pumpkin, we have carrots, we have celery, onions, and this is the aromatics goes in. Guys, my hands are clean.
Smells nice, and the aromatics and everything smells nice inside the pot. I wish you guys could smell it. Smells very nice. She's going to add a little more water in the pot so that it boil even more and let the aromatics boil. Yes. And marinate in the with the peas. Chicken, the chicken is already done. Now we're going to base it with the BBQ sauce.
No, we're not going to base it right now. We're just giving it a turn to the other side to cook. Then we will do the saucing. We're not doing the saucing now. Chicken have to cook properly.
Nice juicy chicken. Smells nice. I wish all you could
I wish you guys could have been here to get a smell of this aromatic. A little dash of
We're
oil.
going to stew the peas. The peas is right here, done boil here. We're going to put some oil in pot. What's next?
Caramelize some sugar, a very little bit.
Yes. Yeah, use a little bit of sugar.
Like
caramelize.
so?
Yes. And amount.
Yeah. We don't need as much.
Right. What next?
We have to let the sugar caramelize.
Yeah, we have to let the sugar caramelize, and I'll come back when the sugar is done caramelize. The sugar is caramelizing, as you can see. Not plenty sugar, a little bit of sugar goes a long way.
Set for that.
Right, next step is the peas going inside.
Take your time gently and do this.
Be very careful when you put your peas inside the pot. Right. Let your peas cook.
We need a
Stick of
a piece of golden ray.
golden ray here.
Flavor to the pot. A little piece.
That's
Flavor to the pot. Some rucola.
some nice rucola. Other people just use ketchup, but we just use natural thing, rucola. You can use rucola for your meats, your minced chicken, minced beef, and when you're cooking your stewed chicken,
Any meats you're stewing, meats,
Yes.
fish.
you're going to some garlic powder here.
Yes. Some onion. Some onion.
Some onion powder for
Yeah.
flavor. That's the other side here. Right. What else we going to put inside it? That's all? Or
We
more?
put a little adobo.
So adobo. Adobo is the best thing we're trying to use. It makes your food taste flavorful.
We put some cayenne pepper.
Put in some cayenne pepper.
We have children to eat, so we can either put in pepper in the food.
People that we're cooking for.
My customer have children, kids. So
So this is what we cook it for.
it's really good. You have to make sure the food is not pepper up. Right. So that's it.
You have to turn the chicken, then you baste your chicken with some barbecue sauce.
Then put it back in the oven
Yeah.
for 10 minutes, and then you take it back out and you baste it again. Right, so just a minute. Let me get some, put some sauce in the bowl.
I just put it on the thing from straight from the pot itself. I don't know who stress out who.
I don't want to get your food also.
As the flavor of the chicken, barbecue chicken.
Yeah, but you don't want to dirty the whole pot of sauce. If I didn't use all. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so just do things in, all in the manner. So there's a little marinade before I brush on. A little bit of the seasoning, marination. Try this recipe. Try this chicken, this pineapple chicken. It is very delicious. Just have a little patience. It goes in with our sauce.
Patience of virtue.
Kraft, made out of Kraft barbecue sauce. Tomato ketchup. Green parents.
You could use either.
Whichever
Kraft.
sauces you have,
You could.
you can use it. But this is what I use.
You could use either Kraft or Swiss. Swiss have their own barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce that you
You
use.
can do the job.
Yes. You just put your aromatics with the barbecue sauce. You can't put the barbecue sauce just so. You just mix it with some ketchup and some of your aromatics.
That you like.
Yeah.
This is you use your brush, whatever you have, comfortable on you. Just good to go. Easy as that.
Alright, just want to try to prepare the wall to put the chicken back in the wall. Sapi. Sapi is a cloth, guys. If you're trying to understand, sapi is a cloth. Yeah.
We're using the proper way. Kitchen top.
This is the calabush. It has the calabush inside the pot and some pepper.
These are the vegetables going in. It's pumpkin, it's carrots, it's okras, red onions, white onions, garlic, and some finely chopped chive. Yeah. I'm adding all the vegetables to the pot now. My secret ingredients.
Secret, it's so secret. You can't share.
Oh, that's
The
secret.
secret ingredients. Yeah.
And screening with some
Coconut milk.
coconut milk. This is how I does it. Freshly grate coconut milk. That's it. Let's go on the stove.
Strain all the coconuts. Yeah, all the milk.
All the juices out of the coconut. Right? That's it. Right, you got our packet.
Right, this is going on the stove.
No, we're not pressure cooking it.
Well,
We don't have a proper timing as yet.
well, we don't have proper timing, so we got back on the callaloo when it's finished cooked.
Yeah, don't have.
The lentil peas is done cooked. I'll show you the rest of dishes when it's done cooked. Alright, I'm going to make the cheese sauce for the stuffed potatoes. First, you add in your creamy garlic alfredo sauce packet, 1 cup of milk. I'm going to add it here. Alright. And also using cheese in the cheese sauce. Let me add the milk first in the pot. Make sure you light your pot. After you put your cooking cream. And just a little bit of cooking cream. Right, that's enough there. And last is butter. 3 tablespoons of this butter you have to use. Give this a stir until everything combine everything. Then you add your alfredo sauce packets and the cheese. Once you just start to combine everything good. Right, you add in your alfredo sauce packet. Make sure you empty it all. See, right? Mixing the alfredo sauce packet. Then last, you add your cheese. And a little more for your liking. How creamy and nice with the cooking cream for the stuffed potato. Now last is the cheese after that. Right, my hands clean. I'm going to put in cheese, inside cheese sauce. I'm putting all the cheese inside cheese sauce, all. Right, then you stir everything, make sure everything melts, the cheese melts, everything. See how nice the cheese is coming out. By adding the cooking cream and everything, makes everything creamy and tasty. Watch, nice cream, nice sauce. That's how to make sure and mix everything properly. Right. I think the cheese sauce is ready. As you can see, delicious, creamy, and nice. Next step is to prep the stuffed potato. We add in the cheese sauce to the filling for the potato, stuffed potato. For the filling for the stuffed potato, you just put butter and potato, scoop out the potato, and then after you put the butter and the potato inside the oven and let the butter melt and to cook with the potato. And then after you add your cheese, and then the cheese sauce are just not me. Nice, creamy and delicious. It smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell it from here. Try this recipe. You guys will love it. Love it, love it. We have 4 ingredients in the pot here.
That's about it for now.
So now we just have a bit of cook and then they add the rest of the ingredients. We added the sweet peppers, the carrots. Now the celery. The pimento.
Pimentos and garlic.
The pimento and garlic. So everything on fire, everything cooked together. Right. Got everything cooked here, and then you add the rest of vegetables. Adding the rice into the vegetables. Adding the sesame oil for flavor.
That's the end of it.
Seasoning for the rice, ginger, dark powder, onion powder, cayenne, and adobo for the rice batter, as you can see inside.
A little cumin for the
For the vegetables. For the vegetables. Right. And the rice inside the pot with the vegetables. Mixing up your vegetables with rice, because fried rice.
That's vegetable rice. Come on,
Yeah,
it's not fried rice.
vegetable rice.
Take your time and express yourself. Fried rice is brown with brown.
So mix it up. Yeah, aromatics inside there, flavors inside there, and mix it up.
Noodles in that pot. When I finish, put on the noodles to cook. Still take it.
That's it.
Pepper crispy.
Yeah. And some noodles.
That is it for now.
Then cook everything, cook your vegetables.
Our secret
Secret seasoning.
normal chow mein seasoning. That's it.
Yeah.
Some ginger.
Yeah, some ginger powder inside there.
That's it. Ready for the turkey.
Everything cook up. Cook everything.
That's it for now.
Alright. Everything cooked up. Inside the pot. Then you add the...
I will add those things after. The pimento.
Yeah, the mushroom, pimento, garlic, and the celery. thing on the stuff with everything.
Right, that's it. Then we will add the
Noodles.
the noodles and
This secret seasoning, chow seasoning.
the noodles will go back in this pan till here now.
Flavor. And then mix up your noodle.
I probably will have to get two
Right, you mix up your noodles with vegetables and all the seasoning that you put inside here. Mix. Potatoes done, cooked. Enjoy this nice food, right? So let me go and dig in some nice delicious food here. Right? Yeah, some nice food. Nice. Oh, in the back of it. So I hope you enjoyed this long video. This is our first video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with family and friends, and turn on those post notifications. I'll see you in the next one.